good 3 pounds tenderloin. What's good about this is it's actually really easy to make, but it looks super fancy. So it's great for holidays, great for date night. And this recipe is from a restaurant in Houston.
Jackie,
what
you cooking, girl?
How are you?
I brought the wine.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I will put you to work while you're here. So the first thing you can do is open that bottle of wine.
Open the wine? Good, good.
Yes.
Okay. I don't know if you know, but I'm not very much of a cook.
That's okay. That's why I'm here.
But I can open a bottle of wine.
I love cooking, and this is a really kind of fancy meal, even though it's pretty easy to do.
It looks very fancy, and I don't believe you that it's easy to do, but I'm glad you're here doing it.
Thank you for the wine. I
Cheers.
really appreciate it. Cheers.
What is this that you're doing, though? I've literally never done that before.
This is beef tenderloin, so it's the most tender part of the cow. But what I'm doing right here is I've already seasoned it, and I just want to let it sit for a while in some saran wrap, so that'll help kind of lock in the moisture as well too. So on the side of the beef tenderloin, we're gonna do some potatoes au gratin. Do you know what that is?
I know potatoes.
Yeah, perfect. That's all I need to know. So it's basically just potatoes mixed with like cheese and some milk, season it up a little bit, and then you bake it in the oven. So you have this like gooey, cheesy potato deliciousness with some beef. So beef and potatoes,
and
can't
wine.
go wrong. Exactly.
Oh, Jackie,
So
what a day. What a day this is.
So let me tell you about this recipe where we got it from. So this restaurant is based out of Houston. It's called Taste of Texas. So it's cool. They have this beautiful cookbook. Anytime I can try a new recipe, I'm all over it. And I always love to doctor them up a little bit. You know, you gotta make a recipe fit you and your family, you know?
I can't imagine not following a recipe. Like going off book, it would just end terribly. So.
Well, you don't go too far off, but like if you know that you like something to taste a little more savory, maybe you add a little bit of garlic powder, or you add a little bit of onion powder, just to.
I like spice.
There you go. Oh, you like spicy things? Mm-hmm. So like horseradish sauce goes really good. Horseradish? Horse? Can't say horse.
How much wine?
Drink? Like a couple of sips. We're just not gonna use that.
Yeah. Yes, chef.
I just want to say I'm not a chef, but I love cooking. I've watched, my parents and my grandparents over the years, so it's fun. This is stress relieving to me. This is a lot of fun.
It sounds good to me. It sounds like you know what you're talking about.
So this has been sitting for a good hour. You can even smell it. You can smell all the spices. Like, can you smell it from over there?
I can.
Nice. All right, Denise.
Ooh. That's a good sound.
Yep, that nice high heat. You want to let that sit for like 2 minutes on each side. We'll flip it, and this is just gonna pop straight into the oven just like this at 300 for about an hour. Be right back.
That looks really good.
Already. Smells really good. All right, cool.
This can be our cheat day.
For sure. That or we're just gonna have to run a lot tomorrow.